just for the parents again watching who, they've seen their child suffer through asthma or they're not even sure about it, what would you like to say to reassure them that again, there are treatments available and there are ways to get it under control? So just a little note of reassurance for our viewers who are worried about their child or their teen, and maybe they've just been diagnosed with asthma. What would you like to say to them?
Absolutely, Laura, that's a great point. I mean, I think that we all would worry if our child has anything, and asthma can be very scary, but can also be very well managed. And I think that educating yourselves on what asthma is and allergies, and also learning what triggers could make your child's symptoms worse, and knowing that there's so many treatments now, both non-medication and medication, that we can use to help manage the asthma, to help your child live as a pretty much normal life, is really the key here, is to manage it and to be able to handle it so that your child is able to be active and live a healthy, productive life.
Okay, that's a good, again, positive news here. It is manageable. It's just really about having the knowledge, speaking with your family physician about what your options are, and having those action plans in place, right?
Yes.
Okay, and also always having the medication at hand, that's important, right? Remember to take it with you
Right.
if that's what you're using, obviously.
Right, it's good to have that albuterol or the rescue medication handy just in case symptoms do arise. And also knowing the difference if your asthma has maybe gone from a lower category to something that's more persistent, then maybe making sure that you use your controller medication consistently and correctly rather than as needed, and knowing the difference between the rescue medication like the inhaler, the albuterol inhaler, and the controller medication like the inhaled steroid or something along those lines.